Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn about Endpoint Posture Score in FortiClient EMS. The Endpoint Posture Score is a newly introduced feature available on the EMS 8.0 dashboard. With this feature implemented, EMS now provides a streamlined and user-friendly way for customers to view the consolidated posture and risk status of their endpoints. By default, this feature is disabled. So to use this feature, an active Elasticsearch connection is required. We can find a step-by-step setup guide under the All Events section, under Endpoints. Once the connection to the Elasticsearch server is successfully established, the Endpoint Posture Score feature is automatically enabled, and it can be found under Dashboard. Here, the risk score and visibility score are calculated on a scheduled basis, typically overnight. As a result, newly connected endpoints are not reflected immediately. In case immediate results are required, calculation can manually be triggered by selecting the Calculate Score Now option from the Settings menu. Within the Settings page, the risk score and visibility score types define the factors used by EMS to calculate the risk and visibility scores for each endpoint. The Endpoint Posture Score dashboard includes several widgets that present data ranging from overall risk and visibility scores across all endpoints to the top 10 endpoints based on these metrics. Another feature introduced with Endpoint Posture Score is the ability to send email alerts when the daily Endpoint Posture Score report for risk or visibility reaches or exceeds a defined threshold. And we can configure this option in the system settings and toggling on Daily Endpoint Posture Score report under the EMS Alert section. Furthermore, two security posture tags are added as part of this new feature: Endpoint Risk Scoring Points and Endpoint Visibility Scoring Points. Let's navigate to Tags under Security Posture Tags and click Create. Then click on Add Rule. Here, for rule type, we will choose Endpoint Risk Scoring Points and Endpoint Visibility Scoring Points. We can view the weight assigned to each contributing factor used in the calculation of risk and visibility scores by running the EMS CLI command get SP score. Additionally, we can adjust the weight of individual factors contributing to the risk or visibility score using the EMS CLI command config set SP score. For example, the following command increases the EDR visibility weighting to 99. This concludes our video about the new Endpoint Posture Score in FortiClient EMS 8.0. Thank you for watching.